Hello guys, today we have a review on this cordless working lamp. Very useful in car repairs. Let's open the box. We have not so many things. The first one is USB cable. It's a USB-A to USB-C. It's around 40 centimeters long. Let's start with the lamp. Rubber sealant on back of the lamp. This is the two USB ports. The first one is USB-A. You can use the lamp like a USB power bank to charge your phone and other stuff. And the second one is USB-C. It's to charge the lamp only. Let's seal it with the rubber cover. So we have, when opened, some steps. And the maximum is 180 degrees. We have a LED strip from this side, from the back, and one small LED on the top. We have power button and power battery indicator. So the first setting is the maximum settings of the lamp. It's a yellowish color, but it's very bright and very good. The next setting is a wow. The next is this top LED. It's a white color, and you can use it in some tight spaces because the lamp is long enough. Okay, so the next settings is the back of the lamp. Definitely white color. High and low settings. The next color is a red. Maybe it's useful for some photographers, but I never use it. In the last one is a red blink. And off. So if you want to turn off the lamp from some of the other settings, you can hold down for a few seconds and the lamp will turn off. This is the battery indicator. It's full now, and when you drain the battery, you will starting to lose some of these dots here. Very good. So we have other things. This is the magnet from the bottom of the lamp. You can stick it on some metal surfaces, probably the car hood or other metal stuff. And the last one is this metal hook. Very nice. Let's put it down. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.